We are here. Okay, so we can go like here, here, I guess, possibly. All sorts of, oh, it's so much cooler here amongst the natural environment compared to being in the matrixed city. Look at the flowers on that tree. The family's chillaxing, enjoying the daytime vibes. If there's any monkeys around, monkeys and snakes, we shall see. Wonder what's in here. Orchidarium. Orchidarium. Ah, oh, many orchids in here. Or orchids, as they say. Ruma orchid. Many orchids. No monkeys. No dinosaurs either. Hey monkeys, what's up? What are you up to? You and your fams here, eh? Any fruit on the tree? Or you fellas eat it? What's your name, yeah? Hey monkey, what you eating? Eating the grass. Little rascals. Sun rockery. This looks like the cactus garden. All the different cacti. I know some people use cactus as a drug. Not sure how they do it, but apparently you can get very high and tripped out on this stuff. I wonder if any of the monkeys eat it and get high. I remember in Cambodia, I think it was Phnom Penh, and I went to a garden there and it had a lot of monkeys. Anyway, I witnessed a few of the monkeys stealing tourists' phones. So the tourist would hold the phone close up to the monkey and the monkey would grab the phone and run away with the phone. Anyway, a few people followed the monkey back to where it was going, and it went back to the security guardhouse. And there they saw the monkey hand the phone to one of the security guys, and then the security guy ended up giving the monkey bananas. So somehow the security guard was training the monkeys to go and steal tourists' phones for food, for bananas and nuts, which is, in a way, it's pretty funny, but it's really not funny. That's how it works here in Southeast Asia. Even the monkeys get trained to do some of the corrupt things us humans do. So quiet here. Can hear water. Must be a little stream here. Let's have a bit of a look. Oh, there is. Because it's so hot though, it's not like flowing. Anyway guys, just check the drone. I was about to throw the drone up and grab some drone footage, but guess what? I forgot the blades, eh? Blades are back at the hotel, so I think after the Botanical Gardens we'll head back to the hotel, have a bit of lunch, bit of a nap, grab the blades, and then I think we'll head to either the jetty pier or a beach and see if we can throw the drone up, because it's a beautiful day today. But not too overly disappointed about not flying the drone here. It would have been cool because perfect time right now. It's about 11 o'clock, so the sun's pretty much high up in the sky, which is perfect for taking drone footage at this time of the day. But it is beautiful just walking through the nature vibes here in Penang Botanical Gardens. Surprised the amount of like old people that are walking at this time of the day. Temperature's about 32 degrees, so it's pretty warm. Must be some of the local botanical staff doing the rounds. It did say there was a waterfall nearby, but I think that might have been the waterfall back there. But it looked kind of high and dry, which wasn't that good. Anyway, let's try and walk out of here and go check out some more vibes of Penang, Georgetown, Malaysia. Hey look, some more little cheeky monkeys. Let's see how cheeky they are. Hello. Kiwi. Monkeys are getting fed. Is he feeding them oranges? They're stealing his orange. He gave up his orange. Come and get your orange. Ah, he's gonna steal your orange. They're beating him up for his orange. These guys. We shall proceed. Oh, leave him alone. Give his orange back. Monkeys. Anyone would think they're humans.